It's day 2 for first responders battling the flames of a wildfire in Carbon County, sweeping over more than 500 acres. Officials say high winds are one of the factors making it difficult as crews work to put out the flames. Newswatch 16's Joe Kohut was at the scene.
As you can see, this fire behind me just southeast of Jim Thorpe is continuing to burn and create smoke. The State Department of Forestry tells me that now more than 450 acres of woodland around Bear Mountain is being affected. It's important to note that despite the size and amount of smoke that this fire is creating, forestry officials say that there are no structures that are in danger as of right now. However, the situation is fluid and they say they have crews on standby just in case. Jacob Nowitzki, a state forester, said that one firefighter suffered a broken rib in a fall today. That is the only reported injury. This fire started around 4:30 p.m. yesterday and has continued to burn ever since. Officials say that they're dealing with several different brush fires on the southerly side of Bear Mountain, and that is where they are focusing much of their efforts. The land that is burning is part of the Weiser State Forest, so it is terrain that is difficult to attack. We've seen responders today make use of small planes and helicopters to slow the flames from above. Nowitzki tells Newswatch 16 one of their biggest problems has been the wind. There's been a lot of it lately, and it's very strong, spreading the fire further and faster. Between 70 and 90 firefighters from several different departments are here right now. Even still, it may take firefighters up to a week to fully extinguish this blaze. Joe Kohut, Newswatch 16, Carbon County.